Hey guys, I'm happy that you are here. My name is Betchoy and for our video today guys ay sasagutin natin yung isa sa mga madalas na tinatanong dito sa ating page. And for today ay i-differentiate natin yung differences ng dalawang klaseng Monstera, yung ating Monstera Electrolyte at yung ating Monstera King Lemon na Electrolyte. At unang ipapakita ko po sa inyo guys ay ang ating Monstera Electrolyte. So basically yung ating Electrolyte guys, this is a Monstera Thai Constellation na cultivar at makikita nyo naman dito guys yung kanyang type of variegations. It's really similar or Thai Constellation po talaga siya pero iba lang yung kanyang kulay at makikita natin na kaya siya tinawag na electrolyte kasi parang electrifying yung kanyang kulay with that yellow-green na type of variegations. It's still very consistent. One of the most consistent talaga ng mga monsteras, na mga variegated monsteras ay yung mga Thai Constellation ng mga cultivar. So for this one guys, makikita natin na very consistent yung ating mga variegations from the old leaves papunta dito sa ating mga newest leaves natin. So it's very evident dito guys kung ano yung difference ng regular or usual natin na Thai Constellation versus the electrolyte. So ang ating Thai Constellation, meron siyang yung may pagka-cream or may pagka-dirty white albo na mga variegations. For our electrolyte, neon green or yellow green yung ating makikita na mga variegations. So this is the first electrolyte na lumabas sa market. So basically ito yung mas nauna, and then after this one ay merong lumabas na pangalawang electrolyte at ito na yung pangalawang lumabas. So basically this is already a mutation of the electrolyte and it's already called as Monstera Electrolyte King Lemon. And basically you can see the difference agad-agad guys. Sa first glance pa lang makikita nyo na yung ating King Lemon ay more vibrant, mas colorful, at mas marami yung kanyang mga Thai Constellation na type of variegation. And at first glance, you would really think na parehas lang naman yan hindi naman yan King Lemon, electrolyte pa din yan. So dito guys, naka side by side na yung ating dalawang Monsteras na mga electrolyte. This one being the regular electrolyte and this is our King Lemon. At makikita nyo na kaagad kung ano yung big difference ng dalawa. Kaya siya tinawag na King Lemon kasi mas pronounced yung kanyang lemon type of variegations. Makikita natin dito guys na mas bright yellow na almost papuntang color yellow or oria na yung kanyang variegations. But still, andyan pa rin yung kanyang Thai Constellation type of variegation. Yung mga marble, yung mga spots, and some sectoral. So from here guys, makikita nyo, especially with the old leaves natin, habang tumatagal yung mga dahon, mas nagiging pronounced yung lemon type of variegations for the King Lemon, whereas sa atin namang regular naman na electrolyte, parang consistent yung kanyang color from the very beginning up to the old leaves natin. One big difference that we can also see with the King Lemon versus the electrolyte guys, si King Lemon ay mas madalas siyang nagbibigay ng mga sectoral na type of variegations. Si electrolyte naman, may mga times lang pero hindi talaga ganun kalalaki, ganun katitingkad yung kanyang mga sectoral na binibigay. And also, for the green portion of our King Lemon, it's very dark green, as in dark na dark green talaga. Almost papunta na siya sa black as compared naman with the electrolyte na regular ay plain green lang yung kanyang kulay na green na binibigay. And i-emphasize ko lang ulit guys both of them are Thai Constellation na mga cultivar. So both of them are considered as Monstera deliciosa. So medyo hindi sila trailing type and in terms of propagating hindi din sila ganun kadali. Mas unang lumabas yung ating electrolyte tsaka nung nag-preview siya guys or nung unang lumabas siya guys, medyo may kamahalan talaga siya. At nung lumabas naman yung ating King Lemon naman na mutation, mas tumatiging-ting yung kanyang presyo guys as compared with the electrolyte. And even up to now guys, mas mahal pa talaga ng dihamak yung ating King Lemon as compared with the regular na electrolyte. Then in terms of pricing guys, i-disclose na lang din natin. Ito ang ating regular na electrolyte. We are selling this one, big size already with 4 leaves, 4 mature leaves for the price of 45,000 pesos. Yan, malalaki na po yan. And this King Lemon natin guys, which by the way, has won 3rd place as the best Monstera ng recently concluded lang na Bangkok International Plant Show last December. And this one po ay nasold na po natin ito for the price of 150,000 Thai baht. In pesos guys, that's roughly close to 300,000 pesos. So after this video guys, I hope na mas clear na sa inyo at mas naliwanagan na kayo kung ano yung difference ng ating electrolyte at the King Lemon electrolyte. And that would be it guys, and I hope to see you again soon in our upcoming videos.